So it's the 10th of December 2020, and for today's trade of the day, I'm going to take a look at the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen, and it's the D1 Accelerator strategy, which is looking for quite quick end of day trades, looking for probably being in trades for maybe 1 day to 3 days, that sort of trade duration. And Aussie yen has been picking up some fantastic trading opportunities over the last few weeks, and we can see 3 of these particular trades here on this chart. So the first one, 23rd of November, another one for the 1st of December, and another one there just from last night on the 9th of December there. So some fantastic opportunities. What are we looking for? Well, it's identified quite clearly by the big disc on the chart. This is looking for changes in direction. So when we see this line change from red to green, that's telling us about a change in direction, a change in the momentum of this market. And what that sniper's doing, it's confirming that that change is in line with an ascending chart pattern and what we call the intermediate trend as well. These other annotations help us to identify things like the weekly trend and the monthly trend also. What we're doing here is building a picture. So when you see a change in the momentum of the market, the change in that direction, it's about asking that very important question and simple question: why should the market go up from here? What do I have? What reasons do I have to support this change in direction? We have 3 here. This move up here, back from the 23rd of November, was in line with the weekly trend, in line with the ascending chart pattern and the intermediate trend as denoted by the sniper. Similarly here on the 1st of Dec, and also there last night on the 9th of December. I took this trade personally, and it's been a great winner, already going on achieving my target in the small hours last night. So really happy with that opportunity. A very quick 40 points on this one. I'm not looking for much more than that. And the reason for that is I'm only looking to be in the trade for a day or 2. So it's not about looking for 200, 300, 400 point moves. This strategy is about getting in, getting out, moving on to the next momentum shift. Then tonight there'll be another market that's probably about to start to move, and that's the one we're going to be looked to being on. And we can review those opportunities in future trade of the day videos, of course. But there we are. There's today's trade of the day for Australian dollar against the Japanese yen, and a very quick 40-point winner.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.